You know when you're trying to do the right thing, and no one said, this would have really caused a mix-up. I didn't know that, honestly said this would have caused a mix-up.
This is the Decor and Lifestyle Center.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Charlene, and if you're new here on this side of YouTube, we do decor, DIY, and of course lifestyle. In today's video though guys, it's a lot of firsts. Now guys, this bedroom, in my humble opinion, has been transformed. Now there's a video that we have out on the channel where I did a room makeover of this bedroom. Guys, if you haven't seen that video yet, I really would encourage you to go and look at it, because then you'll be able to see the amazing transformation that took place in here. Now, a lot of the accessories were provided by Quartz Jamaica Limited, and I'm going to be just walking you through some of them. So over on my left here, we have this accessory piece, and as you can see, very outstanding. Nice in terms of the scale on this side. It's perfect. Here's another fabulous piece that was also made possible by Quartz Jamaica Limited. And of course we have some accessories here, this orchid plant. Now I want to just speak a little bit about Quartz Jamaica Limited and the partnership that we have forged together. I have worked for Quartz for well over 20 years, and guys, Quartz has always supported me, and this collaboration is no different. Quartz, I can't say thanks enough, guys. Now I wanted to do justice also by just showing you how fabulous these accessory pieces are that were supplied by Quartz. Now all the cushions on the bed here came from Quartz, every single one. And then now the gray and black curtains were also supplied by Quartz. So guys, if it is that you are decorating your space, make sure that you visit one of the Quartz stores. Now these accessories on the bed here came from the Quartz Portmore branch, along with the curtains up here, right? Okay, now I want to talk about this lamp that I have here. The lamp is my personal lamp, but I wanted to do something a little bit different. The shades were just plain cream, but the design inspiration for this collaboration is a black and white bedroom for spring. Now I decided to pop the black and white with different shades of yellow, and as you can see, is a whole house of sunshine, and I hope that you are also feeling the vibe, because let me tell you something. This bedroom is actually one of my proudest moments, because I really did some unusual stuff. This piece of fabric that I've used in this headboard here, which you will also see in the video, came from LPSR. So I bought it. The fabric came with a reversible side. So this is one side here on the headboard, and it is actually gray and black. And then over on this side now, I've just flipped it and used the black and gray to do the lampshade. Now tell me in the comments if this is something that you would be open to doing. I also want you to pay very close attention, well, you can't miss it basically, to all the different patterns that I have used in here. And I just want to encourage you, don't be afraid to use patterns. You just have to know in what intensity and just how to coordinate them so that they work as well as I think that they're working in this space. Alright, so let me just go to the inspiration piece for this room. This wall art, guys, I saw this inside of the Quartz store, and it immediately spoke to my soul. I said, this is the painting that I'm going to be using. I knew the space very well, and I was saying to myself, usually you put a big piece of art like this on a big wall. Now this is the biggest wall in the room that is not covered by anything else. And I'm fully aware that the height of the painting is not the traditional done thing. It's a little bit higher than normal, simply because I have these, and y'all know what these are already, right? So for the persons who don't know though, go check out that video. This is a steel. This also came from Quartz, the guys, but so I want you to know that I'm really talking about the wall art. It's usually placed at eye level, but this was the only wall I had in here, and I was going to be using this piece of painting. I would have to find a way. So here it is. I like the fact that the horses are going so fast, yet the colors on the art piece is so calm and relaxing. And I wanted to invoke that kind of feel inside of the bedroom. But we did a lot of stuff, as you can see, right? So came from Quartz, along with these vases here too, guys, right? So like I said, the sky is the limit when it comes to accessories, guys. You can get any amount of accessories from Quartz. All the cushions here. This is another little DIY that I did. So this bench it has a taupe color, but I wanted to, you know, just jazz this up a little bit. I went into the plazas a couple weeks ago and saw this in a window, and it was actually on sale for $2,000. Now you know I'm not leaving it, because I was thinking of doing this black and white inspired room. So what I basically did was just wrapped it and just use some thread to just, needle and thread to just whip the back of it to hold it in place. Now all of these things are not going to be permanent in here, so they are really temporary fixes, right? And I want you to understand that you too can do this. You can make temporary changes in your house to create the biggest impact ever, okay? And that is basically what I've done with this room. Now this picture frame also came from Quartz, and this painting, this wall art over here, now when that one spoke to my soul, this is now my new mantra. And I'm saying this simply because for the persons, you have persons out there who are not quite sure what their passion and their direction should be. Now I firmly believe that if you follow what you love, you can't go wrong. You see this painting, it says, why fit in when you were born to stand out? Now I live by this daily, and this room is a true representative of all of that, because I was not afraid to push the envelope when it came to color, when it came to pattern, when it came to design. And sometimes I think I really do surprise myself, but that is what makes this career so interesting. Okay, now for these curtains, oh yeah, let me talk about that, because it would be remiss of me not to speak about this. So these curtains are actually a ivory champagne color, and the bedroom is really a black and white bedroom. But I was not going to be changing these, because I just recently did them, and this was a serious undertaking in terms of how much money they cost to be done. So I just basically add the black and the gray to it, and then over on this side I just decided to add a black trim so that there could be the correlation between the drapery on this side and the drapery on that side. Okay guys? Alright, now over here, oh yeah, I just celebrated like my birthday a couple days ago, and I decided that I was going to go out and just buy myself some flowers. And sometimes we can do that to girls, we can. So I decided to do that, and then I remember that I was going to be doing this room. So of course I chose different shades of yellow, and I have used just fillers right here. I wanted my roses right there, and in my estimation I think that they have really, in terms of bringing nature inside of the room, that's what these have done here. Now can we talk about this though? Can we talk about this? Isn't this just the most charming thing you've seen in a while? This is actually a mirror, and this mirror came from Quartz Portmore too, and I've decided to use it on this entertainment center. Usually I'd have a television here. I ditched the television this time and decided I'm going to be dressing this up. So the mirror, as you can see, is now grounding my floral arrangement, and I think artfully too. I think you would agree. Tell me in the comment section if you have ever used a piece of mirror to do something like this, because you can also repurpose these accessories. Don't think that they're made for one reason at all. All right, and then this piece here came from the Oasis store, that is Quartz Oasis in Spanish Town. Let me see if I'm forgetting anything else that came from Oasis. Yes, this painting came from, this wall art came from Oasis. And let me see. Yeah, there was just only a few pieces, and those the yellow vases on that side, which we will feature in a bit, came from the Oasis store as well. But tell me guys, and I'm curious to know if you would be able to put all of these patterns together and get it to work. You have to be bold. You can't be afraid to stand out. Take chances when you are decorating, because you might just very well surprise yourself like I did. Guys, we have basically come to the end of the tour, but before I go, I want to say a very special thank you to Quartz Jamaica Limited again, because I really could not have done this fabulous job without your input. Thank you so much. And guys, to the Island Designers in a collaboration, guys, make sure you go over to the other ladies' channel and support them as well. Go over there and see the excitement that is going to be created in terms of this collab. The only stipulation was black and white. Let's see what the other girls come up with. I hope that you really enjoyed this tour. I had so much fun. I was very tired when I was done, but I was happy that I did it, because I am truly living my dream out loud when I can get up and create a bedroom like this. So until I see you again, walk good and take care. Remember to like, subscribe and share. Tell a friend, tell your granny about all of this, because she might like it too. Okay guys, so I'll see you next week. Bye bye.